Your doctor has prescribed the MyCareLink Heart mobile app to remotely monitor your heart device. This video walks you through the MyCareLink Heart download and setup process, step by step. Before you download the MyCareLink Heart mobile app and connect it with your heart device, make sure you have the following items: your smartphone or tablet, your App Store ID and password, a valid email address that you or your caregiver can access, and your heart device serial number. The serial number can be found on your medical device ID card provided to you by your clinic or found by calling Medtronic. You can download free setup guides on MCL-Heart.com. You will also need to make sure that your smartphone or tablet has a Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Finally, please ensure that your smartphone or tablet has Bluetooth turned on. Bluetooth must always remain on for the MyCareLink Heart mobile app to securely send your heart device data to your clinic. Visit MCL-Heart.com/download to download the MyCareLink Heart mobile app. You will be directed to the App Store or Google Play Store. If your smartphone or tablet is compatible, you can tap to download the app. Once downloaded, open the app to launch MyCareLink Heart and start the setup process. You will see a Bluetooth confirmation message. Select OK. Follow along with these steps to connect the MyCareLink Heart mobile app with your heart device. Please agree to the terms of use and privacy statement by tapping I agree. Tap Sign Up to begin the setup process. Remember to have your medical device ID card ready. It has your serial number that you need to sign up. Tap Continue. Choose where your heart device clinic is located, then tap the box to acknowledge that Medtronic will store and process your heart device information on behalf of your clinic. Now tap Next. It's time to set up your account. Enter your first and last name, then tap Next. Enter an email that you or your caregiver can access. Please write this email down. You will need it to complete this process. Then create a password. Please write this password down exactly as you typed it, including any capitalized letters. You will need it to complete this process. Now tap Next. Enter your heart device serial number found on your medical device ID card, then tap Submit. Pairing may take 3 to 6 minutes. Once the green bar is full, MyCareLink Heart is paired with your heart device. The MyCareLink Heart mobile app uses notifications to help you stay connected to your clinic. Tap Close to continue. Next, tap Allow to enable these push notifications on your smartphone or tablet. Your heart device is now registered. To continue pairing your heart device with the MyCareLink Heart mobile app, you will need to verify your email address. Exit the MyCareLink Heart mobile app. Navigate to your email and open the verification email from Medtronic. If you have trouble finding the email, please check your spam folder. Tap Verify Email to launch your browser. Log into your account with the password you just created and tap Submit. Your email is now verified. Relaunch the MyCareLink Heart mobile app. It may take 1 minute for the app to refresh after verifying your email. You will see this home screen when you have successfully completed the app setup and you are connected to your clinic. To continue automatically sending your heart device data to your clinic, please keep MyCareLink Heart open in the foreground or background. Do not close the app. Don't worry, if you happen to close the app, open it again and you will be reconnected to your clinic. The app will also send you notifications reminding you to reopen the app if you forget that you closed the app. Congratulations, your heart device is now paired with the MyCareLink Heart mobile app. The MyCareLink Heart mobile app is designed to give you greater freedom, convenience, and peace of mind. Continue with your daily life knowing that your heart device is connected to your clinic wherever you go.